In this specific video, I will be talking about lead creation tool enhancements to increase your opt-ins. This is a ebook that I created in a previous video. You can watch that in the link. I'll post a link below this video where I created a very nice 5-chapter ebook fully stocked with a table of contents and graphics. These graphics I got from my graphics creator of choice, which is Vista Create. I'll also leave a link to free access to Vista Create below. But you can use any graphic creator of your choosing. The most popular one is Canva, and that will be fine. They have good stock photography. But in this video, I'm going to talk about enhancements that you can do to this ebook that is housed in my favorite lead creation tool. It's called LeadCreator. And LeadCreator, the reason I use LeadCreator is because it has all of the necessary components needed to have a productive or an efficient lead creation apparatus. The previous video before this one, I included a button here where you can have some sort of a call to action. There is a link associated with the graphic, but it's not obvious that the graphic is clickable unless you hover your mouse over it. So I added this button down here, and this button has my Amazon affiliate link associated with it. But after making that video, I realized that, well, the button isn't really finished yet. You can continue styling this button. Instead of saying click me, you can say something to the effect of when you can change the text, of course, in the button to something more appropriate, precise cutting or something like that. Of your salmon. Check the check mark, or click the check mark. Precise cutting of your salmon. Don't forget to update the published version. And you'll get that confirmation bar up at the top that your edit was saved. So now we have precise cutting of your salmon. What does that mean? There's some sort of mystery to that. If I preview and look at, so I start reading the ebook here, and I go past that button, and then what does this mean? Precise cutting of your salmon. And then you click on it, and it takes you to the Berkel Elegance Red Salmon Knife. Oh, so this is like a specialty knife for cutting your salmon. And that's an affiliate link that you have inside of your lead magnet. But that clicking on the affiliate link is just a bonus feature. That's not really the purpose of this page. The purpose of the page is to get opt-ins, right? So I have this set to 75%. So when the reader scrolls down to 75% of the page, then let's continue scrolling on the preview here and get almost to the end. that's when you get an opt-in. So a more effective use of that button would be to have the affiliate link after the opt-in. So further down the page. And because we already have this one done, you could grab it by holding down your mouse, click on your mouse here, and grabbing that button and scrolling down to approximately where the pop-up opt-in window is going to appear. And it was somewhere down here. Right on the asparagus. There are some salmon pieces already cut. Look like they were cut with my knife. And let's go ahead and update that published version. And if we go ahead and view it again, and scroll down the page, read chapter 1, read chapter 2, chapter 3, then we haven't gotten to that spot where we have the button as yet. So when the reader opt in here to read the rest of the article, then they would see that button for their affiliate link. But that's icing on the cake because you already have the contact information for that reader. And if they're really interested in salmon, most likely they'll pick up that knife from your Amazon affiliate link also. If you want to see more of what LeadCreator can do for you, go ahead and click on the link below this video and take it out for a spin. It's really an effective content creation with lead creation.